Collective nouns. A group managing public affairs administration. A group playing music together, band. A group of firefighters, brigade. A group traveling together, caravan. A group performing in a play or film cast. A group of singers performing together, choir. A group organizing an event, committee. A group gathered to worship, congregation. A group operating a ship, crew. A group of educators, faculty. A group of lawyers, firm. A group operating multiple ships, fleet.